Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Methods of depreciation. There are several methods of computation of depreciation. Based on useful life, this straight line method, a fixed amount is charged as depreciation every year. At the end of the life of the asset, the amount of the asset becomes zero. Diminishing balance method, a fixed rate on the reduced balance of the asset is charged as depreciation every year. Sum of years of digit method, the total of all digits of working life is summed up and the depreciation rate is applied based on the digit of the respective year and the total of digits of all the years. Based on funds required to replace the asset. Sinking fund method, the amount retained by writing off depreciation is invested in a fund known as sinking fund or depreciation fund to build a fund to replace the asset at the end of its useful life. Insurance policy method, depreciation is charged to take out an insurance policy to replace the asset at the end of its useful life. Annuity method, depreciation is computed as per annuity table and interest rate. Based on output received from the asset. Machine hour method, working machine hours is computed on expected life of asset. The depreciation is charged applying the machine hour rate. Production unit method, the method is used on depleting assets like mines, quarries, etc. like depletion method. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.